The Baleno SmartPlay infotainment system is an Android-based platform found in models from 2015 to 2024. It can sometimes experience software glitches, freezing during long drives, or app crashes. A factory reset is often the first and most effective solution, with a reported 60% success rate for resolving persistent issues. This process restores the system to its original state, essentially a software wipe that erases user data like paired devices and saved settings. Always back up essential data beforehand. To perform a factory reset via touchscreen, navigate to Settings, then select System, followed by Reset, and finally Factory Reset. Confirm your choice to proceed. For a more immediate hard reset, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds while the car is off. This provides a quicker alternative to the touchscreen method. It's crucial to power off the vehicle during any reset to prevent electrical problems. While effective, remember this is a software fix, not a hardware repair. Always back up your data first. Beyond a full factory reset, specific troubleshooting steps can address common Bluetooth and navigation problems in your Baleno SmartPlay system. For Bluetooth connectivity issues, which can stem from firmware mismatches or interference, begin by unpairing and repairing your device. Ensure your device is compatible, ideally using Bluetooth 4.0 or newer. Maruti Suzuki released an important OTA update, version 2.4.1, in early 2025 for 2022-2024 Baleno models, specifically patching Bluetooth vulnerabilities and improving connectivity, contributing to a 75% Bluetooth satisfaction rate. For navigation inaccuracies or outdated maps, the primary fixes involve updating your navigation apps, whether they are pre-installed or third-party options like Waze. Crucially, performing a GPS calibration through the System Settings menu can significantly improve accuracy, especially after a recent OTA update which enhanced GPS integration with Google Maps. For best results with calibration, do so outdoors for about 5 minutes. Remember, consistent updates and targeted fixes can often resolve issues without needing a full factory reset.